Piny owacho koni koro nitiere makare mar kedo gi tuoche masiko apoya nono e pacho ka bang' chuogo kendo keto e tim duol moyiedhi midendo ni Kenya National Public Health Institute. E romo manokelo kanyakla jogo manie sekta mar thieth Mombasa, jagoro e migao mar thieth Dr. Ouma Oluga okoni Chike nitiere moromo mar fwenyo kendo kedo gi tuochego e yo mapiyo. Komachielo, tend piny owacho mamalo kaachiel kod mago mag counties bende ojiw mondo oket thenge omenda mag rakruok gi tuochego, to chutho bang' yangore ni kwan atamalo 70 mag tuoche mapore gin mago ma dhano gamo koa kuom le.
We can talk a lot about how Africa imports this, blah, 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 but eventually we have been given the mandate. We have Kenya Biovacs that should just produce its first vial. Everything else, stories. And we have KEMSA. Just make sure that the commodities reach the people.
70% now of emerging threats are also from animal to human. We call them zoonotic diseases. We are also trying to make sure that we raise awareness in the population about the risks that animals that are sick pose to us and the way they are supposed to seek care for them before they become a risk to us.
We have been training a lot of field epidemiologists and from counties and national governments, and these people go back to the counties because remember these emergencies and outbreaks happen in the counties, or what you call the mashinani.
So the challenge usually comes in implementation to ensure that we the government puts in resources, but also all partners align with the core priorities. So I think one of the things that is really important in response, which was mentioned in the first panel, was when an emergency happens, do we have funding ready to immediately deploy rapid response team and surge responders in a timely manner?
Jatend migao ma jotije piny owacho Geoffrey Ruku ogolo siem ne